Finally. All right. That took a little while to figure out. All right. Gonna build an availability table today as a beginner. Supposed to look something like this. A little scary. It's been 3 weeks since I started, so let's begin with the user stories. In tables, you have at least 3 columns and 5 rows, headers included. Okay, I should have looked into the tables. I forgot again how you do the tables. First is table. Da, 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 table, right? If I remember correctly, then T header. Oh, my hands are cold. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put a heater. Super cold. Okie dokie. Well, even though no one's watching, I'm gonna apologize for that. It's okay. It's all part of the road. T header. Let's see. There's at least 3 columns. So how would it be? First, we're gonna do a TR for the road. TR. And let me open it like that then. T header, right? I think it's T headers. You have 3 columns, they say. T header. Inside the header, they said that? No. It's 3 columns. So 3 headers. Yeah. That's the T body, right? T body, what I'm adding. T body. I definitely should have looked into the table's composition structure before this, but I forgot. Because I don't remember the captions should be in here, I think, and the headers will be here. We're gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna put a caption. 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 Cells in your first row should be table headers containing days of the week. Days of the week. 3 columns and 5 rows. Okay. Cells in your first columns. Okay. This is the body. TR. 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 And this road we're gonna have um, okay, yeah, header, header, and header, days of the week, so Monday, Monday. I guess yeah, I can just do it like this. Table header. So that's okay. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna put it like this. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Cells in the first column should have table headers with class of time. sales. So first column should be table headers with class of time. It should contain values as their text. Okay, so in your first row it should be okay. So this will be dates. Yeah, day and probably time. Time. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Day. All data says number word. I think this is confusing me a little bit. Monday. So first comment you have table headers. Table headers with class time. Okay, so this class, alright, little by little. Oh, that's Japanese again. Huh, Japanese keyword. Time. Okay. Class time to contain time values are the text. Time values. 5 rows. Okay. Headers included. Sales in your first row should be table header containing days a week. So the first row should be tables headers. Oh, the first row. That is okay. Okay, I gotta read better. Definitely read better. Okay. We're getting there. Just minor complications. There you go. That looks about right. Your first row should be table headers containing days of the week. Okay. At least 3 columns. So it needs 3 columns and 5 rows. How does that make sense? Oh, we'll figure it out as we go along. All data sales. Okay. The cells in the first column you have table headers. The class in the first column only. Okay. In the first column. Well, the struggle. If it was easy, I guess everybody will do it. First column. All data cells should have the class available where available number where the number is from 0 to 5 that specifies the number of available people at that time. Okay. So it should be at least 5 rows. So let's do the 5 rows right now. So kind of have some visual aspects of it. Oh, I know why. It's because it shouldn't be header, it should be data. Okay. Well, that actually only does that. In my defense, I should have looked into the table format again since it's been a couple of weeks since I did tables. Well, I did a table the other day, but it's been a couple of weeks since I actually learned the table formats and everything. But you know, it is what it is. All data cells. So then the class header, the first column should have a class header of 10, and all data sets should have a class of availability number. All data sets should have a class of availability number. Okay, so the number, and then we're just gonna do random. Jesus. Ah, this freaking keyboard. Friday? Yeah, who doesn't want to work hard on Friday? From 0 to, no, you know what? We're taking Friday off. Okay, in your root, yeah, the one, the CSS root. You want the root to be what? Root selector, you should define six CSS variable names color. Okay. Color. Oh, okay. Color number. Ah, number. So we're gonna do chase of green, right? It said equals. Forget how we do the color variable now. They, I mean, is it like this that it works? No. I'm pretty sure with the two dots. Color green. Let's see if I use it in body. Background color. Oh, bar. Bar color. Ay, ay, ay. No, it will work. From 0 to 5, we're gonna do color 5. How do you do? Oh my god, let's just see. Variable CSS. Okay, yeah, you do the Yeah, that's the second one. Yeah, so it is da da da, two dots. So I had it right. Why didn't it work for me? Da da. Uh-huh. Why you don't like? Oh, you don't like the number. Oh, because the number is supposed to imply that. Oh, okay, that's why. Little by little, things like that. So body. This didn't work on the body. Do I have a body here? Yeah, I have a body. Body. And you said close. Yeah, body. So why didn't it turn green? Background color, variable, 5. So that should have turned it to uh, should have turned it to green if it's working. Yeah, why didn't you turn green? Great question. Let's do the file back and put a blue here. See. Also, even the regular one is not. With 100%. And definitely missing something in the CSS that does not. Oh, it's not linked. Oh, I've done this multiple times now already. Ah, style sheet. Man, it's cold as ice. What is it? Styles.css. There you go. Oh. Da, 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 da. Yeah, so we can remove. Well, for now, we'll leave it like that. Well, no, I don't want actually the background to be that, any of this stuff. Bap, bap. Yeah, so it's working. We'll leave like this for now. Instructions. So they wanted 5 colors. Let's go back in here. So it's gonna be chase of green then. Dun, dun, dun. Or 6 colors actually. 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. Alright, so let me get shades of greens then. Oh. So light, super light. The lightest you can get. No, super. Actually, yeah. Super light. This should be less lighter. Actually, green. So this a little darker. Uh, 168. So red, green, and thing. So here we're gonna do a lot of green. 2 to 5. Oh no, that's when it's super light. Okay, so here we're gonna do 2 to 5. 2 to 5, right? So here we have less. 184, 150, or 48. 110. Should be the opposite now, I'm realizing, but we'll go with it. 0. Nope. 40. Yeah. Okay. We're not gonna get caught in the details there. 70. No, that looks the same. 80. Yeah. And we put this one 20. There. Yeah, should be the opposite, but that works for now. We can change the color later. 0 to 5 in color. How is it better to set the background of the corresponding available elements? Alright. Availability elements. In your root selector, you should define CSS value name solid color and dash border. Use this style. Use these variables to style the bottom borders of your cell alternative between solid and dash borders depending on the row. Cannot understand that immediate stuff, but we'll get it as we go. Guess I'm not that smart. Solid border. Border. So solid border will be just a solid 2px, solid black, I guess. And a dash border will be the same thing, but dash. Okay, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Mm, dash. Data set alternative between da. Give the rows either the class sharp or have to style them. So let's visualize this. This is a Monday, Tuesday, so then it will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So they wanted 5, so 4. Let me visualize what they're talking about. Okay, that's what they're saying in the middle. So the top one is that. Then down, 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 down. I see what you're saying. Okay, now that I have that visual thing, then this should get out of the way. Why does it say this should have 3 columns though? At least 3 columns. Oh, at least. Well, hello. We're gonna do this over here. Put it here. First row will be this. I'm gonna make them headers actually. Let's see how this works. Table. And here is to the side, isn't it? Yeah, it's to the side. So we're gonna do by hours. 0 to 5. Yeah. We'll flip the colors later. Do it by hour. So this one on this row we will have what from 9 in the morning, let's say 9 a.m. 9 a.m. On here we'll have 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 11 a.m. 12 a.m. That's all you get. Those 4 spots. And this would be table header. Let me see. Table header, that, and then I will have data, then data, let's see. Table data. Right? Now we can stand this one. For this to work, I need a column, an empty column. An empty column right here. TH. TH. There you go. That will make it like that. All right. That works. This is the first one of this one. And then everything else falls here. TH. 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 Yep. Let's do the lazy approach, the smart approach. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. That's the header. That's the header for that row. Okay, let's separate the rows then. Okay, there we go. We're gonna do 5 TDs. 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna give them the class of availability. Okay, now I'm getting it. So this did not need an availability class. This, okay, now we go. See what that means. This does not need this. Because technically this doesn't need to be colored by the availability class, by the color I'm gonna give it. Okay, so I can see it visually as it goes. Let's do the styling. I'm gonna change classes. I'm gonna put one, let's see, uh, for a class. I'm gonna do a selector for each of those classes to make the color. We'll start with 0, 0, and we'll put a color here, 0, and that will make the background. Yeah, there you go, background, color, bar. Yeah, so RVG. Oh wait, no, hold on. I just gotta call the color. I don't gotta put that. Color 0, right? 0. Did I put anyone with 0? I put all of them with 0, didn't I? They don't have width. That might be why. TDs may need width. Did I finish saying what it was saying? So you have a legends gradient, da 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 da. Yeah, be sure to link your HTML. So yeah, I got that. So you have a label gradient. So let me get a TDs with class availability, 100% of the width. Availability number. Oh, that's why. Mm, mm, mm. Here we go. 0 right now. We have that. Yep, DD. Nope, this is not what I want. I'll make the TD with a class. Let's give it another one, just so I know for sure. Slots. We're gonna give the slots. Yeah, because I don't want. Okay, that's not. This is our header, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so all of them then for right now. Width of. Let's just give it random example for right now. 30 px and height of 20 px. So it has defined height and width. So then this should borders. Oh, I have to do this. For now, let's just give it borders, all borders. Border 2px solid black. Oh, this is not a thing. There you go. There you go. Why did you not color yourself though? Color 0. Background color. What if I use two background? No. It should be background color. Background color and then color 0 to give you that. What if I put there you go. Little one comma. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Now we have the main style on it. Good, good, good. Now we just gotta kind of replicate this little by little. Yeah. So just the bottom one is be dash dash top. Okay. Got you, got you. Okay, each hour has two slots. We'll work on stuff like that later. We'll get the minimum first. Okay. All right, now that that's like that, let's replicate for all of them. Well, let's do the instructions, follow the instructions so I have everything they need. Solid dash and okay, we'll do that. Intermediate, solid and dashed. So this one, solid, no, so you gotta split it in two. Oh no, we just get one is fine. So this one will be dashed. Clash, dash. This one will be class, solid, then class, dashed. Yep, dashed, solid. Brain fart. Class, solid. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now that I have that, I'm gonna do trs dot row. Do I want the whole row? How would I put this? First, let me outline all the body. Okay. First, let me outline all the body, the whole body. Header. So, okay, the whole body, I can outline it. That will be the best way. By body tr. Let's try that. Body tr first. T body. T body tr. And then just put border. Border 2px solid black. No, that didn't do it. T body. Oh, my back. My back hurts. T body did not. Yeah, that should have worked. Put all the stuff. What about all the data? T body data. TD. TD. Why didn't that work? That should have worked. definitely should have worked. Body, body, right? So we go over here and then do, and we do a type selector. I need the Japanese keyword for this, don't I? Where are you at? No. So I already just figured, oh, it's with this, right? Yeah, so there you go. These Japanese keywords are tricky. So that, why didn't it do it? Type TD, shouldn't it be type TD? Type equals that, no. No, it would be by itself. That should work. We have the body here. Wait. Oh, that's why. Wait. This is the, so that's the body. So we need a T body. T body. So we have class body. So we have class body. Type TD. Why don't you give me that? If I do all TRs, will you still take it? Yeah, okay, so you take it. But you only taking what has value. Hmm. Wait, hold on. 0. Jeez. Ten. So you did the TR inside the body because those are the rows. Okay, I know why you did that. TD. That's why, because it already has value. So to give the TD, so I would have to remove that. Let me see. I will have to remove the border from this one. Okay. TR. So I guess I'm gonna give them classes. Did I give them classes already? Oh yeah, I did. tr dash. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Tr dot dashed, or read the opposite way. Dashed tr. No. Inside the tr. Oh, no, okay, that's dash. Oh, wait. The childs. I'm looking for the TDs. Okay, that are TD. TD. There you go. That's what I was looking. Then I'm gonna give them a border that is bar uh, dashes. Yeah, dash. That's what it was here. Oh, dash border. Dash border. Okay. I'm gonna border bottom. Border bottom. Okay. So we can do the same thing for solid. What was the other name? Solid? Yeah, solid. Solid, and then solid border. There you go. Okay. And then the rest is just easy. Put it what you might call it. Border to be edge solid black. There you go. And do the same thing for this. Wait. Oh, no, no. Solid, solid, yeah. Solid. Okay, yeah. So we need to remove this top. Oh, yeah, it cannot be top. So it has to be left and right only. Border left. Then border right. Border right. And we need to collapse these cells for the dash. Margin. Let's just move margin 0 and padding 0. Padding 0. And I believe the DR is 2. Body TR. Margin 0 and padding 0. Shouldn't I just do that here probably? Yeah. Margin 0, padding 0. Then, so this two should collapse here. Sizing. Oh, there was a collapse property, but I can't remember the collapse property. What was it? Collapse? CSS border collapse. Just border collapse. Okay. Border collapse, collapse. Border collapse, collapse. Oh, well, that just. Okay. Sure. That makes so much sense. So, border collapse. How can you forget that? Collapse. There you go. That's a little more like it, but we'll see. Solid. And then -2, we're going to do border collapse. Oh, I removed this, that's why. Still, the whole thing, maybe if I make this one big box, just around the cell. No, because it will be each row. Yeah, and this one is perfectly stacked on each other, isn't it? Well, they're divided in two, so that's probably why. No, no, it will be the same thing regardless. Or, or, let's see. What is the border top then? No, because it will have to change color. Let me start changing while that balls in my head some different availability numbers. One, one, two, two, three, four, and five, five, four, three, and zero. Okay, let's just reverse the order for this then. Yeah, leave it like that. Yeah. Technically, zero will be empty. You have none. So five, there's none. So five will be nothing. Five will be white. It's empty. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Zero. Kind of opposite thinking, but okay. We'll do the opposite thinking. White will be none. This will be the clearest one then. And 80, something like that. Overthinking minor details that I should not be overthinking. So yes, 0, 4, 3, 1, 5, 5, 3, 2, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, something like that. So if I could figure how to, or is to separate, are they all the borders are like that? So so or you know the root. Oh, I need to remove this to be honest. Oh no, that's the border. Damn it. Solid border. Let's make it 1px solid black. And then we're gonna make it 1px dash border. No, that you cannot see it. What if I do the heading then? Heading, the column. This whole column, th. Td. It does all of that. So I already collapsed the rows. Still separation, still white space between the borders. I Okay, that's a little better. Okay, that's getting a little better. How do I make each individual border top border? TD will be no. So if I make the row, yeah, that will be. Oh, it separates each TD. Not a solid line for all of them. Maybe this is what's going on here. Solid. Then I'll do a TR not not headers, not TH, border border top. Yeah, border top. Now because then it will make it up to here. TR dash. TR dashed border top. It will be a solid then. Bar solid, right? Solid border. Solid border. So that's what I need to do. Actually, the easiest way to do that will be here. Border bottom will be something, and then border top will be the opposite. Border top will be bar solid border. another one. It's a margin, border margin property, border margin CSS. Hey, I don't need you in Japanese now. This is not the time. Oops, didn't want to see that. We have to blur that. Ay, ay, ay. Definitely gonna have to delete that video. Okay, the only way I see is making all of this one. Try zero. Still don't get it. What if I, let me test this. Blue, 2ph. No, so that one. So that space between the two cells. Don't tell me it's like this type of stuff. Putting it like this all together. No, that should not matter. Oh, it might be bots, display bot. Oh, it has to be in line, maybe. Hmm, that might be something. Display flats. The body. Let me see. Display flats. So the rows, this row. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, my God. So yeah, the rows. So we're gonna display flats. Display flats. Hmm. Well, that merged all of them. So maybe the table. Table. Display flats. No. So how about block or inline block? Inline block. Margin 0. Padding 0. T-body. Flats. Flats direction. Column. Okay, so that fits that, but needs to be aligned. So about grid. Grid. No, because the grid will still keep all of that stuff. What is this stuff? Hold on. If I put this on the body here, and then I do display for the body flats. Where's the body? Let's see, display flats. Yeah, let's see flats. Flats. Flats direction. Column. Mm. So inline flats, none. Inline block. has to be grid. Grid, it has to be the solution. It has to be grid. There you go, grid. And then uh, grid column. Grid column template is 5. So it will be repeat 5 1FR. A grid template column. Grid template column. Column. What is it? Grid template. Grid column. Column CSS. Grid. Okay, yeah, but grid out the column. Grid template columns. Grid template columns. Columns. There you go. That would, because it made everything that, so that's not the way to do that. Because body header. That's why. One, two, three, four. Why? So this will be body. This will be the container. Container, right? So the container what is the instruction? I didn't even finish reading. Live where legend. It's contain spam, availability, legends, and color. Okay, so that's not that. The body is a container, and then container. Then these rows will be items. So rows will be items. Class, item, 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 item. Okay. So forget the display grid here. Dot item. ish, I think. Great. Column auto. I was a quick column. Now I'm like out of rows first. Quick column gaps. Okay. Quick column gaps. Column gap. 0. Ay, ay, ay. Good. Good. Row gap. No, is it column or columns? No. Oh, great. Great row. I got my freaking god. Why can I make that? That is the only aspect that I'm like not able to figure that out. So I can put borders on the first one here and just borders on all of this one. Drawing the border right. Oh, they do have thin borders in between them. It's just perfectly matching instead of that big gap. Yep, I'm really stumped on that. Don't know why that little line there. Well, either way, it's almost over, so let's just go satisfy the user stories. Try to get it perfectly like that, but it couldn't. Issue class of sharp or thin. Did I do that? Oh no, I did solid. So it'll be class of half. Half sharp, sharp, half, sharp. And the CSS will come over here and just either have sharp or dash, or half, sharp. You should have a div element with an ID legend. Div element with an ID legend. Okay, that would be div element with an ID legend will be on the top. Yeah, first. The first TR. Div ID legend. And covers this one. Legend. It should contain a spam element with the text availability. Should contain a spam element. Spam availability. Hmm. Spam availability. A div element with ID legend gradients. Oh, that's we at the bottom. T footer. Yeah. T footer. T footer. ID. What was it? Legend gradient. Okay. We have all the colors, so we're gonna have spam. With class availability. Is it available or availability? Available. Okay, available. Dash. 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This color should have two gradients. You can express as percentage to make decision between colors. Hairline. Okay, now I can do that. Wait, hold on. here says legend. Yeah, I could do a legend. That's how they had a legend. Oh no, just a zero sample text. Oh, that's this. That's a different story. It's down here. Oops. We go down here. This one here, availability. Buddy, why are you at the top when I put you at the footer? You are literally on the table footer. Oh, that's why. Nope, that didn't do anything. Yeah, why are you? Funny you're up there, even though I put you down here. Has to be with the flats, I am sure. Or maybe not so sure. Six, six, one FR. Is it a comma? Does it need a comma? Can't remember. Hold on. Do they need columns? Oh, auto. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but how you do grid? Grid repeat. Repeat. Okay, yeah, it does have a comma. How many? Okay, it does have a comma. Repeat. FR for the legends. And what is the height and width? Mm, width will be 20%. 20%. Oops. Height will be 10. Yep, there you go. It's 5. Yeah, 5 is wide. Okay, that's why. Okay. Wait, I shifted all of this. What happened here? Okay, why is this doing that like that? Footer. Then I just put it here. Hmm. Yeah, that did something that messed this up somehow. Oh, because it's right on there. Okay. That's because of the. Oh my god. You know, the easiest way may not be the proper way, but it might just be wrapping this in a div itself. Let me see. Div, and then wrapping this in a div here. Nope. So let's go with the footer then. For whatever reason, it didn't take. I'm just gonna put position absolute then. Position under absolute. Yep, and then move it down. Top. Uh, 100. Left. 100 px. So we're gonna make this 200. Make this 400. 300. 300. 250. 225 px. I'm happy with that. And then 150. I'm happy with that. And the ID legend, where are you? There you go. Okay. It's going to be to the left a little more. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And why did it flip this again? Why can I just do the whole footer? To the whole footer. Actually, what about this? Yeah, if I just do the whole footer. And this is supposed to be T footer. T footer. T footer. Let me just put this down here. Nope. No. So it has to be separate. Why did it do that? No, it's still. So it has to be display grid to have it like that. So grid and columns, somehow I gotta mix them up. So TH. Official names and page this grid, grid, grid. I'll remove the header. No, it's column. The column here. TH, TH. There we go. Yeah. So TH. What if I do a TH? Display grid, right? And then grid column grid template column columns is 5, right? So 5 1 FR, then we will repeat right? No, that is not the way for this one. One TR, two TR, yeah. So we'll make that will be its own column. Okay, done. delete rows. 5. Yeah, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be 6. Grid rows gap minimum content. It's a grid rows gap. Yeah, should be grid rows gap. Row gap. So 50. No, I don't. Whatever. I don't want gap. Grid row length maybe. Hmm. Maybe length. Let's do 10 px. Yeah, that looks 10 px. Oh no, I mean column. Okay, yeah, column. We want a column gap. Column. No, because not column. It's rows. Okay, so we made it into 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So only 5 rows. Only 5 rows. 5 rows. So come no. Align item. Space evenly. width. Something about, okay, column. I'm getting there, so I just need to make the width of this the smallest, so it's content. Okay, grep column width. Minimum content. Okay, minimum content. Grid template columns. Minimum content. Let's see. So you just gotta do max minimum content then for each. Minimum content. Minimum content. Oh, it's a container. Actually, for match content. Match content. One FR here. One FR for the rows. It's one FR. Oh crap! So I gotta for the items itself. What if I remove this one? Or if I add space? No. So if I remove this one, what happens? I'll do one FR. It goes to that. TH. TH. So it has to be on the rows. Rows length. That equal distance. No, it has to be the column. That's content. Oh, because I defined the cell already here, didn't I? I defined it here already. TD, okay, that's why. So width will be 100%. And that's why you use that. Oh my God. There you go. Kind of screw myself on the top here. Ah, there is the availability table. Oh, right here. Where is it? You cannot see it. Oh, you cannot see it because it's not on the screen. Oh, crap. Okay, hold on. You can see it here. Just gotta make it bigger then. Hold on. 10, 10, 10, and then just do preview. It's right here. Oh my God, that took a while. So I basically screwed myself with making the cell smaller right here. When I did, I defined the cell by 100% taking the wife. I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't, but that's why. My God. So that, I would say that looks a lot like the one here. All I have to do is do the background, which I can just change the background color and then put text right here and right here, which I'm not gonna do. That's good enough for government work. All right, let me end this right now. Let's see. End stream.